Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm walking and I'm gonna talk with you guys because I really want to talk. Because some situations are like I can't share with anyone. So I have my phone, I have a camera so I can record and I'm gonna post on it. So yeah, I will know and I'll grow up in future. I will get to know that how I was struggling in my teenage. Yeah. So currently I'm struggling, very much struggling. Due to currently whatever I'm feeling, I'm not able to describe that what I'm feeling. It's something like, can you just comment me what I'm feeling and what I'm suffering through? Because yeah, I know that my mental health is not good. I know this. And how I know, I just talked to ChatGPT and she just told me, bro, you are not good. In your teenage you are dealing with so many problems. Yes, I am actually dealing with so many problems. Like family issues. It's just a big thing that our teenager face while in the academic pressure. Like, bro, it hurts so bad. You just hate your house. But you know what the problem is? I hate my house, but I have no escape. Like literally, I don't have any escape. Because कुछ बच्चे स्कूल उनका एक स्केप बन जाता है, राइट? मेरे लिए स्कूल भी स्केप नहीं है बिकॉज वहाँ के बच्चे बहुत बुरे हैं. But really be honest, like उतने भी बुरे नहीं है, they're actually good. But the thing is कि मेरे साथ उनकी vibe नहीं match होती because I'm the person who talks something good, who talks something practical, talk about movies, poetry, psychology, politics and such kind of things. But such मेरे स्कूल में लड़कियाँ जो हैं वो gossips कर दिया. मेरे क्लास की लड़कियाँ स्पोर्ट्स कोई खेलता ही नहीं, like literally PT के लेक्चर में वो gossips कर रही है. I was like, bro, you guys are mad or what? Like literally थोड़ी ना कोई करता है यार. मेरे क्लास की लड़कियाँ जो उनका पीटी का लेक्चर होता है, मैं देखती हूँ बॉयज़ लाइक खेल रहे हैं फुटबॉल. आई जस्ट लव फुटबॉल. वो फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं, बास्केटबॉल खेल रहे हैं पीटी के लेक्चर में. वो आधा घंटा वो इतने मज़े मार रहे हैं. एंड मैं जब मेरे आजू बाजू की लड़कियों को देखती हूँ, मेरे क्लास की लड़की वो बात ही कर रही है आंटियों की जैसे. ब्रो व्हाट हैपेंड? मेरी क्लास में इकलौती मेरी क्लास में बस एक या दो ही लड़कियाँ हैं जो स्पोर्ट्स में खेलती है. अदरवाइज नो वन इज दैट. मैं उनके सामने भीख मांगती हूँ, भाई कुछ तो खेल लो, तुम कुछ तो खेल लो. एंड बट दे वर लाइक, नो वी डोंट वांट्स टू प्ले. आई वाज लाइक, सीरियसली गर्ल्स, सीरियसली ऐसे तुम बैठी बनोगे? देन तुम रहने दो, तुमसे नहीं होगा पाएगा. बिकॉज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड वट एवर. एंड द थिंग इज हैपनिंग like how it can like be so much wrong with me. Like I feel so many things that I can't even describe in my words. Like I don't know what I was talking now. Like मैं कुछ भी इंग्लिश में बड़बड़ा रही थी because I was now walking and I was just walking here and just मेरे बाजू में बैठने की जगह है. And there was one girl was sitting with black clothes, black cap, and she was looking so good. She was smoking and I felt like what hurts her. I don't even judge her. I was like, इसके साथ क्या बुरा हुआ कि ये smoke कर रही है छुप के. And I felt really cool, but it's not cool. It's really bad because I'm thinking कि इसके साथ इतना क्या बुरा हुआ कि ये छुप के smoke कर रही है. Like bro, it's a bad thing. I'm feeling bad for her. And मेरे अंदर की psychologist जाग रही है. And she just wants to talk with her. I really want to talk with her. मुझे पूछना भाई क्या हुआ. I really want to. I can't because it's stranger and उसको awkward लगेगा. Of course उसको awkward लगेगा because मैं कैमरा में आके गोल गोल घूम के बड़बड़ा रही हूँ. And she was just sitting there and she just looked at me. and मैं कुछ भी कैमरा में बड़बड़ा रही थी. And she was just looking at me. I guess she feels something discomfort. But whatever. This is the life. And this is अभी I'm just walking here. It can't happen like that. And not like एक लड़की जो अपने टीनेज लाइफ से फेस कर रही है, बहुत ज़्यादा फेस कर रही है. And still she is being positive. She is recording herself. And next to her, I just see one girl who is just hiding and smoking and fucking depressed. This is the difference. This is the difference, guys. Damn. And I'm really feeling bad for her. because yeah, I can't do anything like that because it's not good for health, first of all. But I'm just urging to smoke, but I can't because I'm just a teenager and I should not, first of all, because I'm a good daughter. Yeah, so I can't do anything like that. But whatever, I don't think some things in my mind. I just didn't take anything personal to me. I just sit idle and let it be. I don't think about that. Like literally, why should I think even that? So yeah, and I'm feeling bad for her. वो just मेरे बाजू में थी. She was crying, I guess. Should I talk with her? Should I even try to talk with her? मुझे मेरा मन कर रहा है. I really wants to talk with her. Should I? इस बात को उसको awkward तो नहीं लगेगा. I'm just thinking about this कि उसको अजीब तो नहीं लगेगा. Because I guess she was crying. She was hiding her face and she was smoking. वो एकदम पीछे बैठी हुई है और मैं जस्ट उधर से राउंड मार रही हूँ. मुझे बुरा लग रहा है. मुझे उससे बात करनी है बस. उसकी भी हालत कुछ मेरी जैसी होगी. बट आई गेस उसका कुछ रिलेशनशिप इशू होगा. होपफुली मेरा नहीं है. I have family's issues. I have friends issues. Somewhere relationship issues. But I'm here, look at me, I'm recording myself. Here, look at her, she is smoking. And say ना, हालात कितने अलग रहते हैं लोगों के. इवन हालात अलग अलग रहते हैं, बट लोग कितने अलग रहते हैं. उनके साथ डील कितना अलग करता है. It's something different I feel today, and it's like, it's okay, let it be.